Understanding, play it by ear. A phrase unpacked. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, play it by ear. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it really mean? How can you use it in your everyday conversations? Let's dive in and find out. Play it by ear originally comes from the world of music. It refers to the ability of a musician to play a piece of music by listening to it, rather than reading the musical notes from a score. This requires a great deal of skill and an excellent ear for music. The phrase has been adopted into everyday language, but its meaning has broadened. In modern usage, play it by ear means to act spontaneously, without a predefined plan or schedule. It's often used in situations where outcomes are unpredictable, and decisions need to be made based on the current circumstances. For instance, if someone asks about your weekend plans, you might say, "I'm going to play it by ear," indicating that you haven't made definite plans. Play it by ear is a versatile phrase and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. Making decisions. Let's play it by ear whether we go out tonight or stay in. Planning events. We haven't set a time for the meeting yet. We'll play it by ear based on everyone's availability. Responding to uncertainty. With the weather being so unpredictable, we'll have to play it by ear for our picnic. Be careful not to confuse play it by ear with similar sounding phrases. For example, play by the ear is incorrect. The correct phrase always involves the word ear, relating back to its musical origins. Play it by ear is a useful phrase to express flexibility and spontaneity in English. Now that you understand its origins, meanings, and usage, try incorporating it into your conversations. Remember, language learning is an adventure, and phrases like these add color to your communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.